Hi, in this video, let's talk about a very easy and popular Google interview question. It's called find the first recurring character inside a string. So if we were given a input string of BCABC, and the first recurring character is going to be B, right? And if we were given an input string of BCA where there isn't any recurring character, then we are going to return null. So pretty simple and straightforward. Let's write our solution. So find first recurring character, and it's going to take in an input string, right? Alright, so first thing we do is to loop through every element inside this string, but first let's just declare a hash table first. So the hash table can be called a character map and new map, and the hood. In JavaScript, an array is a hash table, an object is a hash table, and map is a hash table. But in this case, let's use a map. And a very easy for loop. Let character of our input string. That's going to loop through every character inside the input string. Maybe there is another case when we need to use the index of the character. For example, for C is going to be 1, for A is going to be 2. If we need the index, then we can use the index here and access the character using char at index. But in this case, we doesn't need an index, so we use for loop of the input string. It would be enough. All right, let's move on. So what we can do here is to check. So if char map has a key called our character, so our character will be passing us the key. If it's true, then let's return the character. All right. Else, then we will pushing. So it's going to be char map.set, pass the key variable pair, use the char as the key, and use a boolean. We will call it true as the value. So I think that would be enough. End of the for loop. Our if we haven't returned anything, we will return null. Okay, our solution has been finished. It's a very easy question, often asked in a phone interview. It's going to test your understanding about the hash table, and you should talk about the pickup time for a certain key is always of 1 and or near of 1. That would be good enough. All right, so let's test our solution by console.log, passing the find recurring character and passing our string as the input string, and let's test the solution by run the file with node first recurring character. It's going to be B, and if let's say passing A first, it's going to be A, and if there isn't a recurring character, it's going to be null. Okay, perfect. So this is typically how we can write a solution for find first recurring character for a string in JavaScript. Thank you for watching.